Have you ever eaten a big meal and felt like your stomach is a balloon about to float away? Or maybe you've had that uncomfortable feeling where your tummy feels extra full and tight even though you haven't eaten that much? That's what we call bloating. It's a pretty common thing that most people experience from time to time. And while it can be uncomfortable, it's usually nothing to worry about. But here's the good news. There are many ways you can help ease that bloated feeling and get back to feeling like your normal self. Whether it's after a big lunch, a snack that didn't sit right, or just because your body's feeling a little off, there are lots of tricks to try. So, let's dive into some fun and easy tips for beating the bloat. What is bloating anyway? Before we talk about how to fix bloating, let's first figure out exactly what it is. Bloating is when your stomach feels swollen or full, often because there's too much air or gas trapped inside. This can happen after eating certain foods, eating too much, or even if you're just stressed. The feeling might make your belly feel hard, puffed up, or uncomfortable. Sometimes bloating can also cause burping or passing gas, which can be a little embarrassing, but hey, it's totally normal. Now let's get to the fun part, how to stop bloating and feel better. Get moving. Exercise to the rescue. One of the best things you can do to fight bloating is to get moving. Exercise helps your digestive system work more smoothly and can help you release any trapped gas in your stomach. It doesn't have to be anything super intense. Just taking a brisk walk after a meal can work wonders. Walking is a gentle way to get your digestion going and can even help with constipation, which can also cause bloating. If you're feeling up for it, you can try other low-impact exercises like stretching or yoga. These kinds of movements can also help relieve gas and make you feel more comfortable. Plus, getting some fresh air and a little movement can help clear your head if you're feeling stressed. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Have you ever heard the saying, "Don't bite off more than you can chew"? Well, when it comes to bloating, this advice is spot on. Eating big meals can sometimes overload your digestive system and cause bloating. Instead, try eating smaller meals more frequently throughout the day. By eating a little bit at a time, your body can process food more easily, and it won't have to work as hard to break everything down. It also helps prevent the feeling of being overly stuffed, which is one of the main causes of bloating. So, try eating smaller portions every few hours instead of eating one huge meal. Hydrate to feel great. Water isn't just good for keeping you healthy, it's also a great tool for fighting bloating. Sometimes bloating happens when your body is holding on to extra salt or water. Drinking enough water helps flush out that excess salt and prevents your body from feeling puffy. Plus, water helps with digestion and can even prevent constipation, which, as you know, can make bloating worse. Aim to drink at least 6 to 8 cups of water a day, and even more if you're active or it's a hot day. If plain water isn't your thing, you can also sip on flavored water, herbal teas, or water-rich foods like watermelon. Hydration is key to feeling good. Fiber is a superhero for your digestive system. It helps keep things moving along smoothly in your stomach and intestines, which can prevent bloating. Fiber can also help with constipation, which is one of the common causes of a bloated belly. You can find fiber in lots of foods, like whole grains. Think brown rice and oats, beans, vegetables like broccoli and carrots, fruits, especially those with the skin like apples and pears, and even nuts. Eating a variety of fiber-rich foods throughout the day can help keep your tummy happy and reduce bloating. But remember, if you're not used to eating a lot of fiber, it's important to increase it slowly, or else it might make your stomach feel worse. And of course, keep drinking water to help the fiber work its magic. It might sound a little silly, but how fast you eat can actually affect how bloated you feel. If you eat too quickly, you might swallow air along with your food. That air can get trapped in your stomach, causing you to feel gassy and uncomfortable. So, take your time and chew your food well. Eating slowly not only helps you avoid swallowing air, but it also gives your body a chance to start digesting food properly from the moment you start eating. Plus, eating mindfully and savoring each bite can help you enjoy your meals more and feel satisfied without overeating. Try foods that help with bloating. Some foods have special powers that can help relieve bloating. Let's look at a few foods that you can try when your stomach's feeling puffed up. Pineapple. This tropical fruit contains an enzyme called bromelain, which helps break down protein and reduce bloating. A small bowl of pineapple can help ease discomfort. Bananas. These yummy fruits are full of potassium, which helps your body get rid of excess sodium. When you have too much salt in your system, it can cause your body to hold onto water, leading to bloating. Bananas can help balance things out. Watermelon. Since watermelon is packed with water, it helps you stay hydrated and flush out excess salt. Plus, it's refreshing and delicious. Papayas contain digestive enzymes that help break down protein and improve digestion. If your stomach feels sluggish, try munching on some papaya, turmeric. This golden yellow spice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve gut health and reduce bloating. You can sprinkle turmeric on food or even add it to warm water for a soothing drink. Over-the-counter medications, a quick fix for gas. Sometimes bloating is caused by extra gas in your stomach, and it can be super uncomfortable. If you're feeling like there's a lot of gas trapped in your belly, you can try an over-the-counter medication like Gas-X or Maalox anti-gas, which contains a substance called simethicone. This ingredient helps break down gas bubbles in your stomach and can bring quick relief from bloating. But remember, these medications should only be used if your doctor says it's okay. When to see a doctor. Most of the time, bloating isn't anything to worry about. It usually goes away on its own or with a few changes to your routine. But if your bloating is happening a lot, or if you're experiencing other strange symptoms like sharp pain, fever, or weight loss, it's a good idea to check in with a doctor. They can help make sure there's nothing serious going on and guide you to the best treatment. Bloating be gone. So next time you're feeling bloated, remember that there are plenty of ways to help yourself feel better. Whether it's going for a walk, drinking water, eating smaller meals, or trying foods that help your digestion, you've got the tools to fight the bloat. By taking care of your body and listening to what it needs, you can enjoy your meals and feel comfortable in your own skin. And if the bloating sticks around or you're worried about it, don't hesitate to ask a parent or doctor for advice. Your tummy will thank you for it. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come.